One of the very misunderstood concept of what has been labeled as suicide bombing. It is martyrdom operations.
A new and unsettling video has surfaced in the Red Fort blast case. A video recorded by the accused bomber, Dr. Umar Nabi, shortly before the explosion. The blast took place near Delhi's Red Fort when a car loaded with explosives went off and caused chaos in the area. The man linked to the attack, Umar, had been moving around the city for hours before the explosion, captured on multiple CCTV cameras. In the video he recorded, Umar calmly speaks about what he calls a misunderstood idea. He says people use the term suicide bombing without knowing its true meaning. Then he describes it as a martyrdom operation, giving it a spiritual angle and trying to justify the path he had chosen. His tone is steady, almost like he's explaining a belief he has fully accepted. CCTV clips show his journey on the day of the blast. He entered Delhi early in the morning, drove through Old Delhi, stopped at a small tea shop, and later visited a mosque near Ramlila Maidan. Nothing in his behavior suggested what was coming next. By evening, he parked his white car near the Red Fort on a quieter stretch of the road. He walked away slowly. At 6:52 pm, the car exploded. The blast didn't appear to be a last moment act. The route he took, the places he stopped at, and the way he moved through the city all pointed towards careful planning. His video adds another layer, a window into the thoughts that guided him. There is also talk that this might have not been a typical suicide mission since he stepped away from the car before the explosion. But the words in his video make it clear that he believed he was part of something larger and symbolic. The choice of the Red Fort, a historic and deeply national landmark, shows the kind of impact he hoped the attack would create. Soon after the video became circulating, it became clear that Umar had prepared his message well in advance. The recording was not casual or rushed. He looked composed, sat in a quiet place, and spoke with the confidence of someone who had already made up his mind. This shows that the blast was part of a larger personal mission he had committed himself to. The footage also hints at how deeply isolated he had become. Despite working as a doctor and living a regular life on the outside, his thoughts, beliefs, and plans were moving in a completely different direction. The contrast between his normal daily routine and the violent act he carried out has raised serious questions about what shaped his thinking during those final weeks. The story is still developing and many questions remain. For now, the newly surfaced video gives the clearest glimpse yet into what was going through Umar's mind before the blast.
Martyrdom operations. When a person presumes that he is going for sure die at a particular place at a particular time, he goes against the presumption that a particular is going to die in a particular situation. It's not, we don't have situation.